Hey guys, FS Rider here, and this is actually going to be my first video. For anyone who's new, well, everyone will be new, but FS is my name, Frank Skilling, and Rider is because why not? Today I'm doing a little bike check on my brand new specialised enduro carbon fibre. So the new parts that I've put on it were my old Hope pedals here. I do love them. I feel like they're a bit goofy on the bike, but you know, my riding style is a bit goofy. It's good, but it's a bit goofy, so I do like them on there. I think they don't look too bad. I went out and I got some rental fat bars. They are not the full spec carbon ones, but I am planning to upgrade in the future because I think the other ones will look slightly better on the bike. But I mean, it looks better in real life on camera, and I do like the look. Saddle is a drop post 150mm of travel, I believe, and that's why it's called the ass kicker. Very powerful. I'm trying to remember the name now. Very powerful drop post. Love it to bits. It's a 12 setting drop post. It's got 12 little notches in it. I have 170mm either end of suspension, RockShox Lyric up front. And I am not too sure what's on the back. I have a, trying to think of the name. Oh, I forgot the actual, what the make of my tyres are, but I know the back one is a Slaughter and the front is, if you can see down there, a Butcher. I have 200mm of 200mm brake on the front, and I think 180, I believe, on the back. Guide brakes. They are 4 piston brakes. I have the, as you might have seen before, the rental high end stem, the shortest one they do. I have, that's my lever for the drop post, so I've got writing all over my hand here. So that's the drop post lever, works nicely, I do like it a lot. And my guide are brakes and these specialised grips. One of my favourite grips ever. I've got the waffle pattern, so it's quite similar and feels at home compared to my motorbike, which I will talk about in later videos. Obviously the same on the other side, but that is my gears. I have the SRAM GX gear system on the back, a 1x11 speed with race face cranks and race face front cod. Sorry, I know the proper term is not cod, but I do tend to use it. Right, now we'll open up the front side of the bike. Right, here we are guys, this is the other side of the bike, so you can see the Hope pedals, front out front, and another bunch of them beautiful bars. So we've got the 170mm on the back again, and so if we go to here, this little drink holder, it's not, oh my arm is really chubby on camera, it's really weird. But if I go into this here, I can pry it off, and that pops off. It's called the SWAT door, and I have the carbon fibre triangle, front triangle frame on the back. It's got a little pull there, you can see the carbon fibre. And this here is my little tools kit that comes inside the bike. It's got a second pouch inside, and that just slots into my frame right there. So that goes in there, and it tucks away quite nicely. Quickly, give me a second to put it back on. And we're done there, so that's back on. Specialised enduro there. Rental fat bars. There's my little bed where I'm sleeping at the moment because you know what, couches are extremely comfy. Another look at my gear shifters, Hope pedals, and race face full cod. Other specs quickly while I get them done. I have, if you can see them, DT Swiss hubs, I believe. They're made by well, it's a I never know how to pronounce this. All I know is it looks like Ravel, which is a weird thing, so I usually know everything about my bike. And traverse rims, and I believe the Ravel is made by DT Swiss, which was the same as on my old bike. hopefully you've liked my bike trip. I am Frank Skilling. Thank you for tuning in, guys.